Hello everybody. Welcome back to the channel where we talk about stuff. If you've been within the cryptocurrency space over the course of the last 6 or 7 or so years, you may have noticed a bit of a pattern that continues to happen now during the cryptocurrency news. A lot of people seem to be kicking up a lot of dust from the 2017, 2018, 2019, and 2020, and I dare even say 2021 era. A lot of people are finding patterns, and one that I'm finding myself is that it appears as if we are probably at the beginning of or are already in the bull cycle trend for the next halving. Simply because if you've been paying attention to this channel over the course of the last couple of months, you may have noticed everything that's been going on within the news is relatively similar to 2020, 2021, 2016, 2017, and not so much 2018. That was a very weird year for everyone within the cryptocurrency space. Recently, we heard that large players are definitely within the cryptocurrency space, the BlackRock, the Fidelity, etc., etc. Recently, Fidelity released a report called Q2 2023 Signals Report. And it states that they believe that Ethereum might be gearing up for something major. What would that something major be? What's the thing that people have been talking about? Since around 2017, it starts with an F and ends with an Ippening. That's right, it's the Flippening. For those of you who've never heard of it, it is the idea that as Ethereum is the most used blockchain that we have on the planet, eventually the masses would come together and decide that it is worth more than Bitcoin. And they would do so by, the theory is, don't scream at me, the theory is that they would do so by selling off their Bitcoin into Ethereum. Ethereum's price would rise. It would then become the #1 coin, therefore flippening Bitcoin on the list. I don't even think that flippening is an actual real word. Like I think I don't remember hearing that over the course of my lifetime. However, the point to be made is that the first time we heard about this was during the beginning of the bull run of the 2016-2017 era. We heard about it again during 2020 and 2021. Whenever prices look like they're about to move up or are moving up, a lot of people begin to make predictions as to if or when this is going to happen and what the possibilities are for it taking place. The point of Fidelity being mentioned is that they had a new report, and it showed that they were asking apparently high net worth individuals, that is to say very rich people, and apparently 47% of them expect Ether to surpass Bitcoin over the course of this bull run. So I need to make sure that I say this. I am also going to provide other links in the description below for all of you to see as well, just so that you understand that this is one, not random, and it's not brand new. People are always talking about this. A lot of people, especially within the cryptocurrency space, have been I don't want to say looking forward to, but a lot of people tend to always talk about Bitcoin's demise and when Bitcoin is going to leave and how Bitcoin can't be #1 forever. I usually chalk this up to the fact that a lot of people got into Bitcoin late. I think a huge portion of people within the cryptocurrency space now saw Bitcoin at $100, $300, $500, $800, $2,000 and simply did nothing, as it were. They got into Ethereum, they got into XRP, they got into Cardano, they got into Tron, you name it. And these coins now became their favorite, and therefore everyone's kind of rooting and hollering that at some point Bitcoin will be taken down. No one knows the future. No one can say for certain of anything that's going to happen within this market. But the idea is that once again, the most used blockchain, the Ethereum, is also now deflationary as well. That is to say, as transactions are happening within Ethereum, the blockchain, Ether is being burned in the background, and therefore this constitutes that the value of it will continue to go up even higher during any type of bullish activity that we might have. The silver lining, I guess it's a gigantic silver lining if you actually own Ether yourself and it does end up going to #1. The silver lining here would be that We only get news like this when the market is optimistic, when the energy has returned back to the market. You never see news like this when prices are going down, because everyone's kind of trying to figure out when prices will end up going back up. But there's always a couple of things, a lot of precursors. One of them is always my comment section is filled with bots. I cannot stop them. They are robots. There are literally millions of them. They see that a new crypto video has gone up and they kind of do what they need to do. And this is how I always know that people are programming the bots when the market is about to go back up, because it's an easy way for the bots or the people creating the bots to try and get people back into this crappy new coins that they're making. It's true. It's one of the most annoying things in the entire world, and I literally cannot stop it. And the other thing is that certain predictions begin to start to come back up within the cryptocurrency space as to where people think things are going to go. This is why you see that a lot of people now, and not the last couple of years, despite the lawsuit, are now talking about how high XRP is going to go. This is why we're getting the $8,000 to $15,000 Ethereum price predictions, and people talking about that Bitcoin is going to 9 million X from here over the next couple of years. Very interesting. I don't think that it's impossible for Ethereum to flip Bitcoin. We've seen a lot of things before. XRP became the #2 coin. XRP only had to double in price, and then it would have pushed Bitcoin to the side. I think it's more a matter of market sentiment and what people believe in the moment is going to do better than another coin. People will then push their money into that market, and who knows what could happen. But yeah, people are talking about the Flippening once again. I'll have all the links once again in the description below, so you can see all the other times that people were talking about the Flippening, and it's not just right now. I do sincerely hope that you have all enjoyed. I do hope you all are having a great day, great morning, great afternoon, great evening, wherever you are, wherever you might be. I do hope it's absolutely fantastic. Thank you all once again for watching, listening, liking, commenting, and/or supporting, and I will most certainly be talking to you all soon. See you.